Hello and welcome to my video. Today my guest is IWC, or International Watch and Co. Unique preserve condition of silver pocket watch with niello case. Also, we have a chain attached to this pocket watch. It's a silver chain with T-bar and pencil pendant. Each link of that chain has a stamp of lion. Lion means 0.25 purity of silver. The pencil can be used like this, open and close. It's a very nice silver chain. I'm gonna remove the chain now because we're not gonna need it. I'm gonna put it on the side. And this is the watch. It has a white dial with black Arabic numerals. The subsidiary dial also black Arabic numerals. Stainless steel hands in very dark blue color. The very rare thing in this pocket watch is the niello. In most cases, the pieces of the niello are missing, but not in this one. As you can see, the niello is in perfect condition. The niello is a black mixture, usually made of sulfur, copper, silver and lead. Use it as an inlay on engraved metal, especially silver. Can be added as a powder or paste, then fired until it melts or at least softens, and flows or is pushed into the engraved lines in the metal. The size of the watch is 52 millimeters, and let's set the hands. I need to press that button here. This button is activator of the hands, but you have to keep it down. So I'm gonna press it, and as you can see, I'm able now to set the hands. The time now is 15 past 9. Fifteen past 9 is just here. And next thing I'm gonna do is to wind it. I'm gonna wind the watch. The watch is in very good condition, so it will start immediately. Next thing I'm gonna do is to open the back cover, and I'm gonna show you the movement. Of course, the back cover is very tight, so I have to use my special tool. To open it. Of course, I don't want to leave any signs here. That's why I'm using a plastic opener. It's very tight. And this is the back cover inside. Let's see what we got as a stamps here. On the left we got 0.900, in the middle IWC. On the right hand side we got crown and half crescent moon. This stamp is used in conjunction with silver standard marks, including 0.900, 800, 835 and 935. and at the bottom is a serial number of the case. Let's open the dust cover. Also very tight. And this is the movement of the watch. The movement is composite of one main plate and three bridges. The first bridge holds the balance wheel, which is this one here. The second bridge, it's not a bridge actually, it's a plate. This plate here holds the mainspring, which is just under this wheel, and gear wheels, the center wheel and more two gear wheels here. And the last bridge, which is this one here, holds the escape wheel. And they all create the movement of this watch. As you can see, there is a serial number just here. By this serial number, we can date this watch with very good precision. The watch is made in year 1914. This means that this watch is about 106 years old, and as you can see, the watch looks like just left the factory. Amazing condition of 106 years old pocket watch movement. The movement has a 16 joules micro regulator, which is this one here, and a Breguet spiral, the blue thing on top of the balance wheel. 18,000 beats per hour, and as you can see, the balance running very strong. And now a few moments with the movement only. Beautiful movement and beautiful watch. That's it for this watch. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the video, of course, please subscribe. Thank you again and see you next time. Bye bye.